हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज स्नेहल पवार. आपण एसक्यूएल क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करत आहोत. पार्ट फर्स्ट मध्ये आपण 6 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस केलेले आहेत. पार्ट सेकंड मध्ये आपण 6 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस केलेले आहेत. तर आज आता आपण नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ स्टार्ट करूया. तर चला, व्हॉट इज अ सेल्फ जॉइन? Joining a table with itself is called as a self join. Syntax: select column name from table name E. Self join table employee M on E dot MID equal to M dot EID. What are different way to replace null value? We can replace null value using 3 different options: is null, pulleys, and case. Is null, there can replace null value with any different value, then use is null. Syntax: is null column name comma replace value. Pulleys: it can be display first not null value, then use pulleys. Pulleys column name. Case: if you want to replace multiple null values, then use case statement. Syntax: case: when condition is null, then replace string else condition and end. What is the difference between union and union all? Union is used to combine rows but allows unique records. Union all is used to combine row of two tables. Union will be slower. Union all will be faster. Why union all will be faster? Because it's only combine and view data. Difference between join and union. Join combines column from 2 or more tables. Union combines row from 2 or more tables. What is a subquery? Query within query is called as a subquery. A select, update, insert or delete statement subquery are always enclosed in parentheses and are called as inner queries, and the query containing the subquery is called as outer query. Two types of subquery: non-correlated subquery and correlated subquery. Non-correlated subquery: outer query depends on inner query. Inner query execute first. Inner query execute only one times. Correlated subquery: inner query depends on outer query. Outer query execute first. Inner query execute multiple times. What are store procedure? Explain its advantages and disadvantages. If you want to execute a query multiple times in a project, then write it into store procedure and call it just by name. Syntax: create procedure, store procedure name as begin and end. 3 ways to execute store procedure. Only with store procedure name, execute store procedure name, and exec store procedure name. Advantages: execution plan, retention and reusability, reduces network traffic, code reusability and better maintainability, better security, avoid SQL injection attack. Disadvantages: defer name resolution. What are what is the difference between store procedure and function? Store procedure can return multiple value. Function can return single value. We can transaction in store procedure. We cannot transaction in function. Store procedure can have input output parameter. Functions only input parameter. We can call function from store procedure. We cannot call store procedure from function. Store procedure support defer name resolution. Function do not support defer name resolution. Store procedure are generally used for performing business logic. Functions are generally used for computational logic. Store procedure can use temporary table. Function cannot use as a temporary table. Thank you. माझा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू. एसक्यूएल इंटरव्ह्यू क्वेश्चनचा पार्ट 1 आणि पार्ट 2 व्हिडिओ बघितला नसेल तर तुम्ही डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये जाऊन लिंकवर क्लिक करून बघू शकता. थँक्यू. बाय.